If you're wanting to make money online, this video is for you. Hi and welcome. Thank you for watching. I'm George Pearson. This video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and it's really a gift. There's no strings attached. It's free. This week is about email marketing. It's how to build a list using social networks. Let's get right to it. Well, I've taken you to the download page, my weekly giveaway, and I want to show you that it is a free download. There are no strings attached. There's no email required, nothing like that. The download is how to use social networks to build a list. How to use social networks to build a list. And I like the ebook for a number of reasons, primarily because it's built on content, and I happen to be a content marketer. That's one of the things that I do a lot of. The giveaway includes the ebook, the e-cover, images, a squeeze page, thank you pages, as well as resale rights. Now, what resale rights means is that you can use this ebook for resale. If you want to sell it, you can go ahead and sell it, keep all the profits. You can also use it as a giveaway or an incentive or a bonus. So that's what the resale rights include. That's what it's all about. So you might also want to visit this page for some fun images of some funny kids. I think you'll enjoy that. If you're wanting to build a list, or if you're into list building, social networks are an excellent way to do it. The ebook really has some solid content, and it's kind of right on the money. It's some good information. So if you want to use it for your own personal use, it'll certainly help you. And again, there's a link below to the download page. There's no strings attached. Enjoy. If this is the kind of information that is of help to you, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Ring the bell, and that way you won't miss out on future videos. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.